Get ready for an unforgettable journey. We're about to embark on a whirlwind adventure through two of Europe's most captivating cities, London and Paris. Over 7 glorious days, we'll dive into history, art, culture, and delicious food. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we'll experience the best these cities offer. Let's pack our bags, grab our cameras, and get ready for an experience of a lifetime. First stop, London. We'll spend 3 days exploring this dynamic city, soaking up its royal heritage and vibrant energy. Then it's off to Paris on a high-speed train, where romance, elegance, and culinary delights await. This itinerary is your guide to maximizing your time and making memories that will last a lifetime. So buckle up and let's get started. Welcome to London. Our adventure begins in the heart of this historic city. We'll start by checking into our hotel and dropping off our bags. Then we're off to explore. First up is a visit to the iconic Big Ben, one of London's most recognizable landmarks. We'll snap some photos and admire its grandeur. Next, we'll walk over to the Houses of Parliament, the seat of British politics. We can even take a tour to learn more about how laws are made. Just a stone's throw away is Westminster Abbey, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and the coronation church of British monarchs. We'll marvel at its intricate details and rich history. As the day winds down, we'll take a spin on the London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel offering breathtaking views of the city skyline. For dinner, we'll head to Covent Garden, a vibrant district known for its street performers, shops, and restaurants. We'll find a cozy pub, enjoy a delicious meal, and raise a toast to an exciting first day in London. Today we're diving into London's captivating history and vibrant culture. We'll start our day at the Tower of London, a historic castle that has served as a royal palace, prison, and treasury. We'll learn about its fascinating past, meet the beefeaters, and see the dazzling crown jewels. Next, we'll walk across the iconic Tower Bridge, another of London's most recognizable landmarks. We'll take in the panoramic views of the city from its high-level walkways. Our next stop is St. Paul's Cathedral, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture designed by Sir Christopher Wren. We'll be awestruck by its grandeur and climb to the top of its dome for stunning city views. In the afternoon, we'll immerse ourselves in art and culture at the British Museum, home to an astounding collection of artifacts from around the world. From Egyptian mummies to the Rosetta Stone, we'll journey through time and discover the wonders of human civilization. To end our day on a high note, we'll enjoy a pre-theater dinner and then head to the West End, London's dazzling theater district, to catch a spectacular show. From musicals to plays, there's something for everyone. Today we have the option to venture beyond London and explore some of England's nearby treasures. We can choose from 3 fantastic day trip options. 1. Windsor Castle. We can take a scenic train ride to Windsor Castle, the oldest and largest occupied castle in the world. We'll explore its opulent state apartments, marvel at St. George's Chapel, and witness the changing of the guard ceremony. 2. Stonehenge. A trip to Stonehenge is like stepping back in time. We'll be awestruck by these mysterious prehistoric standing stones and ponder their ancient secrets. 3. Oxford. Known for its prestigious university, Oxford is a city steeped in history and academic excellence. We can wander through its charming colleges, visit the Bodleian Library, and soak up the scholarly atmosphere. After our day trip, we'll return to London for a relaxing evening. We can enjoy a delicious dinner at one of the city's many restaurants, or simply unwind at our hotel and reflect on our adventures so far. Section 5. Day 4. From London's charm to Parisian elegance. Bonjour, Paris. Today we bid farewell to London and embark on a new adventure in the City of Lights. But first we have time to explore more of London's unique neighborhoods. We can spend the morning browsing the trendy boutiques and vintage shops of Notting Hill, or immerse ourselves in the eclectic atmosphere of Camden Market, known for its alternative fashion, street food, and live music. In the afternoon, we'll hop on the Eurostar, a high-speed train that will whisk us away to Paris in just over 2 hours. Upon arrival, we'll check into our hotel and take some time to settle in. Then we'll embark on our first Parisian adventure. We'll stroll down the Champs-Élysées, the most famous avenue in the world, admiring its grand architecture and designer boutiques. We'll reach the Arc de Triomphe, a triumphant arch honoring those who fought for France. As the sun begins to set, we'll make our way to the Eiffel Tower, the undisputed symbol of Paris. We'll marvel at its intricate ironwork and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city illuminated at night. For dinner, we'll find a charming bistro nearby and savor our first taste of Parisian cuisine. Section 6, Day 5, Parisian icons, art, history, and culinary delights. Today we're delving into the heart of Paris, exploring its iconic landmarks, world-class museums, and charming neighborhoods. We'll start our day at Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that has stood on the Ile de la Cité for over 850 years. We'll marvel at its intricate facade, stained glass windows, and soaring ceilings. Next, we'll immerse ourselves in art at the Louvre Museum, home to some of the world's most famous masterpieces, including Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. We'll wander through its vast galleries, discovering treasures from ancient civilizations to the 19th century. Afterward, we'll take a stroll through the Tuileries Garden, a beautiful formal garden connecting the Louvre to the Place de la Concorde. We can relax by the fountains, admire the sculptures, or simply people watch. In the afternoon, we'll continue our artistic journey at the Musée d'Orsay, housed in a former railway station. Here we'll admire Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces by artists like Monet, Renoir, Degas, and Van Gogh. As evening descends, we'll head to Le Marais, a historic and trendy district known for its medieval architecture, designer boutiques, art galleries, and vibrant nightlife. We'll find a charming restaurant and savor a delicious French dinner. Section 7, Day 6, Bohemian Rhapsody and Artistic Treasures. Today we're exploring the Bohemian heart of Paris and discovering hidden artistic gems. We'll start our day in Montmartre, a hilltop neighborhood known for its artistic heritage, cobblestone streets, and stunning views of the city. We'll visit the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a white-domed basilica that sits atop the hill, offering panoramic vistas of Paris. We'll wander through the charming streets of Montmartre, browsing the art studios and shops, and perhaps even have our portrait drawn by a local artist. We'll stop by the Place du Tertre, a square filled with artists selling their work. In the afternoon, we'll experience the Moulin Rouge, the world-famous cabaret known for its can-can dancers and extravagant shows. We can take a tour, watch a show, or simply admire its iconic red windmill from afar. Next, we'll visit the Musée de l'Orangerie, a small museum located in the Tuileries Garden. Here we'll be mesmerized by Monet's Water Lilies, a series of 8 monumental paintings that transport viewers to the artist's tranquil garden at Giverny. As the day draws to a close, we'll embark on a magical Seine River cruise. We'll glide past illuminated landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre, enjoying the city's beauty from a unique perspective. Section 8, Day 7, Royal Grandeur and a Parisian Farewell. For our final day in Paris, we're journeying back in time to experience the grandeur of the French monarchy. We'll take a day trip to the Palace of Versailles, the lavish former residence of French kings and queens. We'll wander through its opulent hall of mirrors, explore its manicured gardens, and imagine life at the court of Louis XIV, the Sun King. After immersing ourselves in history, we'll return to Paris for a final evening in the City of Lights. We'll head to the Latin Quarter, a lively and historic district known for its student population, bookshops, and bustling cafes. We'll find a cozy restaurant and enjoy a final delicious French meal, reminiscing about our incredible journey. As we savor our last moments in Paris, we'll raise a toast to new friendships, unforgettable experiences, and the magic of travel. We'll leave with hearts full of memories and a longing to return to these captivating cities. Section 9, Bon Voyage, your European adventure awaits. And there you have it. Your 7-day adventure through London and Paris is ready to begin. We've explored iconic landmarks, delved into history and art, sampled delicious cuisine, and discovered hidden gems. But this itinerary is just a starting point. Use it as inspiration to create your own unique adventure. Don't be afraid to wander off the beaten path, try new things, and embrace the unexpected. Most importantly, have fun and create memories that will last a lifetime. Bon voyage!